Welcome to VideoPad tutorial on Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club. How to use zoom effect, zoom in and zoom out, on VideoPad. Select the part of the clip that needs to be zoomed in and out, then split it from the original video. Right-click on the clips and choose Effects, or press the Effects button on the top left corner of the clip. Choose Zoom Effect. Press on Show or hide the effect animation editor. Press Add keyframes at current position, and leave the area without zooming. After 2 to 5 seconds, add another keyframes and without zooming too. After 2 seconds, add keyframes and zoom to specified area. Specify the duration of zooming in, then add keyframes at the end of the zooming in. Before the end of the clip, add keyframes and return to full screen position. Close the effect dialog and check the result.